Guys, welcome back to Hot Dogging, and today we are going to do a duo flight with Proman 21. Anyways, let's get started. This is on my other airline. I'm way further on my other airline, but I just wanted to do this plane, this video. Let's check out the bathrooms. I wonder what they look like. Oh, they're nice. Very fancy. I'm going to turn on, I'm going to do the safety announcements.
Now we request your full attention. The flight attendants demonstrate the safety features on board this aircraft.
Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Lift the upper portion of the buckle. We suggest that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight as you may experience turbulence.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are preparing for departure. Please ensure your seatbelt is fastened, your seat back and tray table are upright, and all carry-on items are stowed.
The aircraft, floor level lighting will guide you towards the exit. Doors can be opened by moving the handle in the direction of the arrow. Each door is equipped with an inflatable slide which may also be detached to use as a life raft. Oxygen and the air pressure are always being monitored. In the event of a decompression event, an oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. To start the flow of oxygen, pull the mask towards you, place it firmly over your nose and mouth, and secure the elastic band behind your head and breathe normally. Although the bag does not inflate, oxygen is flowing to your mask. If you are travelling with a child or someone who requires assistance,
Did you know if you use the part and type in the chat, it appears in the
keep your mask on
speakers?
until a uniformed crew member advises you to remove
Oh yeah,
it.
it's really
In
cool.
the event
So
of
if
an
you go
emergency,
into
please
this-
assume the bracing position. Lean forward with your hands on top of your head and your elbows against your thighs. Ensure your feet are flat on the floor. A life vest is located in the pouch under your seat or between the armrests. When instructed to do so, open
And
the
also
plastic
they have
pouch and
these
remove
cool
the
things.
vest.
I'll
Flip
show
it over
you
your head,
what you should
pass
do.
the straps
once
around your
everyone's
waist and adjust the front. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord only when leaving the aircraft. If you need to refill the vest, blow into the mouthpieces. Use the whistle and light to attract attention if required. Also, your seat bottom cushion can be used as a flotation device. Pull the cushion from the seat, slip your arms into the straps, and hug the cushion tightly towards your chest. At this time, your portable electronic devices must be set in the airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival.
taxi.
Flight attendants, please be seated for
Oh, sorry,
takeoff.
I didn't show you what. So, when you go into the PA, you'll see this orange thing that says put everyone's seatbelts on and that kind of stuff. When you click that, there will be an announcement that plays, and then some people will actually put their seatbelt on, stow their tray table, or put their seat up. I'll show you when the landing. Guys, put some suggestions in the comments of what games I should. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to like and subscribe.
captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
There he is. Why is he just sitting there?
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin our in-flight service. Our crew will be coming through the cabin with food and beverages.
The cabin with food and beverages. Oh, Proman 21 wants you to say how many people you can...
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin our in-flight service. Our crew will be coming through the cabin with food and beverages.
I know you don't want to just watch me walking around the plane. You also want to see what
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain from the flight deck. It looks like we're going to experience some light turbulence for the next couple of minutes. At this time, please ensure your seatbelt is safely fastened. Thank you.
Oh no, crap. Probably because of the turbulence. Oh, we're not having a crash landing. Oh, don't say go away from me now, that's very rude of you. I'm not happy with you. I'll tell your kid off, mate. You're a bad parent. I will be calling social services.
Cabin crew, please sit down.
Crew, please sit down. Let's hope this won't turn into a crash land. Oh, and sorry that we can't call. For some reason it doesn't work. There, we're just using the chat. When it does work, that will be Proman 21's Facebook. There's your bagel. You should really had hollow arms. Candy corn. I don't even remember buying that. And there's your lemonade. Oh my god, that's a lot of hashtags.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Okay, let's just collect all the trash. Wait, your trash. Bro, get in here. I thought you were trash. Well, as you say here, rubbish, not trash. Give me all your rubbish. Okay, now I'm going to show
Flight
you.
attendants,
So
please
if you
prepare
go
the
to the
cabin for
PA
arrival.
announcement over here, you can see passenger check, and when you click on that,
Ladies
it'll
and
show you.
gentlemen,
Some
we are
people
preparing
wear
for landing.
seatbelts on,
Please
so
return
they
to your
should.
seats. Fasten your
Hey, did you see
seatbelt.
that?
Place your seat
Yeah.
back and tray table upright, and stow
It's
any
also really
remaining
helpful
items.
as well. Oh, yeah, you see we're already landing. That's so much fun. I don't know why that this plane needs 4 engines. It's tiny. Like, it doesn't even have business class. The business class isn't even available on this plane. The next plane. I remember my flight attendant's name. His name is Bryson. Hey Bryson, answer flight.
are in the brace position.
But you can also do this.
Brace for impact. Heads down. Stay down. Throw 2 seats or you are dead.
Okay, we're landing now. Oh, obviously there's another aircraft using the arrival runway. Well, please be quick. This is going to be a rough landing. Oh, why are we still there?
Brace, brace, brace!
Wide runs.
This is your captain speaking. The aircraft has landed but is on fire and may explode. Evacuate the boarding doors and evacuate all the passengers as quickly as possible.
Really cool this emergency. Not obviously not in real life, but in the game. Guys, subscribe if you have the A380, like if you have the Boeing 747. And share and do both if you have them. The plane has exploded. Oh no, oh god, we didn't evacuate anyone. I mean, not anyone, but we didn't. Okay, let's see how many people died in this. Oh, it says passenger. Guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and share